How to look great with daylight synchronization using a clip-on strobe. When using daylight synchronization, it tends to look unnatural as if you were using a strobe. In this video, I'll show you how to use a clip-on strobe to look great with daylight synchronization while using the wall of a building. First, turn off the clip-on strobe. If the background is bright, the person's face will be dark. Next, try overexposing the image. The face became brighter, but the background was washed out. Now turn on the clip-on strobe and aim it directly at the subject. In this case, I set the exposure back to the initial exposure with the subject was slightly darker so that the background was a little brighter, and added a clip-on strobe to that. Although the face became brighter, it still looked flat, as if a strobe light had been applied to it and it didn't look natural. This time, I used the wall of the building and bounced the clip-on strobe off the wall. The light is coming from the side, and the light quality is softer, creating a three-dimensional effect, making it look natural and very nice. When using daylight synchronization, let's think about how to soften the light from the clip-on strobe when shooting. By softening the light, you can make women look more beautiful. Please give it a try, everyone.